Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai from Malayala. India have officially released 2025 JEE Mains results, in which you are going to get your session 2 percentile. Along with that, you're also going to get your final ranks. So when I say ranks, you're going to get your overall rank, category ranks, everything, right? End to end. So with this, you're going to get a clarity whether you're going to get into triple ITs, NITs or GFTIs or not. And with this, you're going to get a clarity whether you are qualified for JEE Advanced or not, right? So this year the cutoffs are like this: for general category 93.1, for EWS 80.38, for OBC NCL 79.48, SC category 61.15, ST category 47.9, and for PWDs it's 0.0079. So these are the percentiles one should cross in order to write JEE Advanced. If you don't cross according to the category mentioned and according to the cutoffs given, then you are not allowed to sit for JEE Advanced. In this particular video, I'm also going to talk about Careers 360's JEE Mains 2025 College Predictor, which is going to be a powerful tool which is going to help you a lot during your counseling or before your counseling to actually finalize what colleges you have to put or what options you have to fill in, everything, right? So make sure you watch the video till the end, because this tool is going to help you with college predictions based on your rank. What are the colleges you have, what branches you have chance in, everything you're going to get to know with this tool. If you want to know more about this tool, please watch this video till the end. First, I will take you through the official website where you can actually check your results. This is the official website. You can see under candidate activity there are two links through which you can access your results. You can use any of the link, like they have given two links, so just to have a fallback. If one link fails, through other link people can actually access their result or rank card. So clicking on this, it will take you to this page where you have to enter your application number, password and captcha, and click on login. And if it asks for OTP, you just need to verify it through OTP and just check your results. For all the general category students, you're going to get percentiles of both sessions. Basis on best of two, you're going to get your general or overall or CRL rank. Then for EWS, SC, ST, OBC, NCL category students, you're going to get, along with your CRL ranks, you're also going to get your category ranks. Like for EWS student, EWS rank, general EWS rank. For OBC NCL student, OBC NCL rank. And for SC student, SC rank. Then for ST student, you're going to get ST rank, right? Perfect. And if you're a PWD among any of these categories, general or EWS, SC, ST, OBC, along with your CRL ranks, along with your category ranks, whomever applicable, you are also going to get PWD ranks if you are a PWD student. Perfect. So these are all things which you are going to see in your rank card. Now let's move on to how to use JEE Mains 2025 College Predictor. I think you guys are waiting for it, because this tool is going to be so much helpful. I've been suggesting this tool, like mainly the Careers 360's College Predictor, to many people since the start of my YouTube channel, because I have also used Careers 360's College Predictor during my JOSA counseling, during my admission process. So you can actually get a lot of insights from using this tool. How to access this tool? So I have left the link for the same tool in the description, from which you can access this page. So in this page, you have to just enter your category ranks. If you are a general category, just enter general category or CRL rank. But if you belong to EWS, then enter EWS rank. If you belong to OBC, NCL or SC, ST, even if you are a PWD, just enter your category rank if you belong to OBC, SC, ST or general EWS. So let's say I have entered 5, 6, 7, 8, right? And then I have to give my home state. I have to just select that what is your home state. Your home state is going to be your class 12th passing state. So I passed my class 12 from Telangana, Hyderabad. So I just select Telangana. If you are from Vizag and you have completed your 12th in Hyderabad, then your home state is Telangana, not Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Caste group is EWS. Gender, male or female? Male. Are you specially abled? If yes, put yes. If not, put no. Okay. Don't worry, nothing is going to happen. Just give your mobile number just to verify that you are a actual student. Click on send OTP. They'll send you an OTP. You just need to verify it by confirming that OTP. You're going to get it in your message box. I already got it. That's so fast, right? So by the time you enter the fourth number, automatically it will take up that and it will verify that this is the actual number, and it will take you to this page where you actually have to pay some amount. For only JEE Mains 2025 College Predictor, you have to pay 589 after tax. Coming to JEE Mains and JEE Advanced predictors, if you want you to include IIT as well, IIT predictions as well, then you have to select JEE Mains and JEE Advanced 2025 college predictor. The final cost is 825 rupees. 589 and 825 are very less amounts, minimal amounts. One can actually one can easily pay it, because this tool is going to help you like anything. You just need to understand how why I am saying this many times, because I have been into this JOSA counseling since many days. So I know how much helpful this tool is going to do for you guys during your counseling and during your like admission process and all that, right? So once you pay this amount, this time it is going to take you to a page with all the colleges that are possible at your rank. So you can just, if you want to take a tour, just click on next. You will understand what all things you can actually play in this particular page. I am just keeping it since I already know it. So you can actually apply filters by branch. If you are like a student who only want computer science, I can just apply for computer science. It will now show me only those colleges where I am going to get computer science. You can say IIIT Bhubaneswar, computer engineering, good chances. IIIT Karnool, computer engineering, and BTech MTech, computer science and engineering dual degree. So I have like multiple things: IIIT Ranchi, IIIT Raichur, Vadodara campus, University of Hyderabad. This is a JFTI where I'm going to get BTech MTech Computer Science and Engineering, and IIIT Kottayam. So like this, you can actually remove this filter like this again, or else from here also you can actually remove that filter, right? And you can actually select which state you are actually want to study in. So let's say you only want to study in Tamil Nadu and Jammu and Kashmir or Uttar Pradesh. If you apply, it will only show me the those colleges from these places. That much powerful this tool is. You can actually also, you can see your change inputs. You can actually just click on this. It will take you to the same predictor again, where you can actually enter your again new rank. If you want to use it for your friend as well, you can use it, of course. Hello guys, link for this college predictor is in the description. I am saying this tool is going to be really helpful and powerful for your admission process. Do check out the link and in the description as well as in the comment box. Chalo guys, that's it for this video. Do let me know how much percentile and how much rank or how much category rank you have got in the comment section. Chalo, I'm waiting to see all your comments, and all the best for your admission process. Hope you get desired and deserved colleges for all of you guys. Chalo, bye bye. See you in the next one.